This is our second part of our 5G overview introductory course by Learning Wireless. In this part of the course, we're going to look at the architecture of cellular networks. In particular, we're going to explain three different big areas of knowledge that you need to understand to have a full picture of a 5G system. Those are the 5G radio, 5G core, and services that run on top of those networks. So the questions that we're going to try to answer. So first of all, which are the parts that compose a cellular system? Next, we're going to try to understand then what are examples of 5G services and why they bring new opportunities for business. We're going to also try to understand what is a radio access network. The acronym RAN is widely used. And last but not least, we're going to talk about core networks. This is an aspect that is special in mobile communications, but we need to understand why they are present there and why they are so important. We first are going to talk about the general architecture of mobile systems. So this is not something that it's official nor that you find on books, but it pretty much represents most mobile systems since the third generation. So the devices that we work with then every day, like smartphones, they are in one side and they access services, which are provided by a server at some point somewhere on the internet. And basically, the 5G system needs to give you the connectivity between the device and the server. And to do that, we need at least three networks below that. So first of all, the access network. The access network, it's the direct connectivity to the device. Then the core network, which is only present in mobile systems. We're going to talk about that, but it has very important roles in security and in mobility and in managing the connectivity from end to end. And to connect the core to a certain server, there would be other networks, where the best examples here is actually the internet. A lot of the services that would like to access, they are actually located in the internet. So then there would be a connectivity between the core and the server. But we're going to look in each of these pieces into more detail next.